Welcome back to today's video then, and we're going to be looking at the CountIF function then today within Excel. What this does is within a particular list, if we were to select this and look at type 1, so we have all these different Pokemon here, but taking this column here in G where we have type 1, we can see where they have all the different types of Pokemon, i.e. grass, fire, water, bug, and so on and so on. If we want to know how many of each of them there is within this list in total, then this is a perfect way of finding that out. We can see that we have a count of 802. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take a copy of that and we're going to paste that into column P there. Once that's in column P, we're going to press Alt, which will bring up this little bar here, and then we can see that we have the shortcut keys. We're going to press A for data and then M to remove duplicates. We'll bring up that, and because we've got column P highlighted, it's already ticked for us, so we can click OK, and we can remove that there. That's going to show us that we've got rid of 783 duplicates and it's left us with 19 different types. So we know that within that row there of the 802 there is 19 different types, obviously taking away the type 1 that we have at the top there. So within that there'll be 18 different types of Pokemon that we're looking for within that. If we go over here, then we want to select next to this, and we're going to press the equal sign, and we're going to type in CountIF with an open bracket. So once you've typed in CountIF, you can see that it's asking for different criteria. We can see that the first one it's looking for is the range. So this is just asking you for where the data is that it's looking for. So if it's looking for the grass type, then where is it going to find this information basically? So if we just select the G column, like so, we can see that it brings up G:G. We're then going to press the comma. Pressing the comma then moves this across, and we can see now that it's looking for the criteria. So within that range, what is the value that it's looking for? So on this, we're looking for grass, and we're just going to click into that, and then we can click the close bracket. By pressing enter then, we have the 78 total grass in that there. If we now click into that top one and double click down, because we have values in the left hand side here, it should just work its way down and follow that same formula all the way down for you. Okay, working out all the different ones. And if we go and work out a sum, within that we should have a sum of 801, which is right because we have 802 on the count, taking out the top one there. So we have the count of 801, which is right. And just have a quick check just to show you. So if we were to use flying as an example, then if we press Control, Shift and L, we can see that this brings up all this filter here for us. And we can click on the drop down menu. We want to deselect all but select the flying. And we can see that we have 3 different type 1 flying Pokemon within that range there. So again, pressing Control, Shift and L will deselect that. And that is the CountIF function.